My name is Wayne Ablett. I'm one of the co-founders and president of Jannatec Technologies. Our company has developed communications equipment that works underground, and we supply basically the mining community. It's a very niche market, and we allow the mining companies to directly have communications with all the miners underground. We're very proud to say this. Jannatec, as a small company, we have ventured into close to $4 million in development over the next 3 years that we've been working on our new product. Currently, our main product, which is a radio cap lamp, can do voice communications, can do RFID communications, can do collision avoidance, and also gives the miner a lamp, all in one device. But if you believe in it, you have to continue to push it. And if you want success, you got to be willing to sacrifice to have that success. We completely evolved and probably changed our business model 3 or 4 times. And we're currently doing that right now. So you have to be willing to change. Being part of NORCAD has been a good thing because being in this tech hub here, we get to use their resources. Just recently, we needed some IT help, and we got it from NORCAD people. So having it all here helps us to do business easier.